number one, I would say وقتك كفاية. So take advantage of your time. I would say especially if you're young, take advantage of your time because when you get older, you're gonna get busy, and when you get busy, you will regret. I would say number one, take advantage of your time. Have high aspirations. Have big goals, and as a Muslim, it's important to have high aspirations. It's important. And yeah, I think also as well, if you have an ambition, set yourself targets. Set yourself targets because what I did, for me, what helped me was when I started GlobalNet up to now, I had a target. It was 3 months, it was 6 months, it was 1 year, and then 2 years, and then 5 years. So at the minute, I'm on track, but at the same time, I need to make sure I stay on track by making sure I continue and do not fall off. So set yourself targets. If you're new to GlobalNet and you start from zero, what's your target? You want to finish the course. Hey, what's after the course? You're going to go to the next course. What's after that? You're going to try apply for a job. What do I need to do to apply for a job? I need to do my CV. I need to, revise so I'm ready for the interview, stuff like that. So set yourself targets, set yourself goals. And again, as a Muslim, ilah du'a, there's always a way out. There's always a way out, and for me, it helped me, wallahi, alhamdulillah. Every job I got, wallahi, alhamdulillah, I always made dua, and, so ilahi da, وَقَالَ رَبُّكُمُ ادْعُونِي أَسْتَجِبْ لَكُمْ. So it's like, you have to call Allah, make dua, then Allah opens doors for you. So